want to add the IDM extension to Google Chrome, this is your video. Adding the IDM extension to Google Chrome enhances your browsing experience by allowing faster and more efficient downloading of files with easy integration and management. To learn how to add extension in Chrome IDM extension, simply follow this step-by-step guide. So the official download link for IDM extension is the one I'm going to drop you on the description, but it's this one. I'm going to put it on screen right now. So as you can see, our extension is hidden in Google Store and it cannot be searched as well. This is made by design because there is no sense to install extension without IDM, so you have to install IDM first, the file. You press this website and you press this button and you will get the latest update of IDM. And once you do that, you have to click here and you will get the extension IDM integration module. You add it to Chrome and you will be able to have a IDM installed. So if this video was helpful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, and press the bell on the subscription button. Goodbye and easy way.